continue with chapter number 13 from your history book of grade 6, and the name of the chapter is Urban Local Self-Government. And today we are going to start with functions of the municipal corporation, and we have to categorize these functions of the municipal corporations into two categories. One is the compulsory function and the other is optional functions. These are the two categorized functions which are performed by the municipal corporation. So let us start with the compulsory functions. First and foremost, we are having the public health and sanitization. First point, establishment of hospitals, dispensaries. Dispensaries means the shops from where we get the medicines. Okay, medicine shops are called the dispensaries. Then we are having the maternity and child welfare centers. Maternity means when the women are about to give birth, those women are called maternity. Okay, during that period is known as the maternity period. So maternity and child welfare centers, making arrangements for vaccination and inoculations and to prevent the spread of dangerous diseases. Like at present we are having COVID-19 vaccinations, and those who are residing under the municipal corporations, they are just setting up different camps and giving the vaccination to the people. Okay, cleaning and disposal of garbages, cleaning roads and drainage system and public toilets. All these are getting cleaned by the municipal corporations, and keeping a check on the quantity of food sold in shops, market and restaurants. So they are just keeping a check on the quality, what kind of food is getting served to the people. If it is harmful for the health, then that shop might get sealed. Then we are having water supply. Water supply is also coming under the compulsory function, and supply of safe drinking water, construction and maintenance of construction and maintenance of water supply system. Next, we are having public works and services, maintenance of law and order, construction and maintenance of roads, bridges, public buildings, markets, and you can say crematoria and graveyards. Crematorium means a place where the dead bodies are burned. Those are called the crematory. And then we are having the graveyards. The graveyards are those places where the dead peoples are buried underground, right? Next, we are having arrangements for street lighting, maintenance of fire brigade, the demolition means destroying the dangerous or illegal buildings. The buildings which have become very old and is very dangerous can break down anytime and fall on the road or hurt people or can harm somebody, or maybe can harm the next building. So those gets break down. Those are called those gets broken down. So those are called the demolition. Then maintaining records of birth and death of that particular area. Next, we are having the public education, establishment and maintenance of the primary and secondary schools and adult education centers. Optional functions, these are not the compulsory functions. We are having few optional functions also. Establishment and maintenance of public parks, gardens, zoos, theaters, picnic resorts, libraries, museums. All these are constructed by the government and is under and is taken care by this municipal corporation. Now these are coming under optional. Municipal corporation can do it by themselves, or you can say it can be given it to the some NGOs also. Okay, then construction and maintenance of old age homes. Old age home means when people become old, if they are not having anybody to look after, they are shifted to these homes. Okay, there are the NGOs who takes care of these old peoples. Orphanage, night shelters, and you can say rest homes. Okay, supply of cooking gases and milk, organizing cultural events like sports, exhibition, fairs, etc., and maintenance of a cheap public transport system. Okay, next we are having the municipalities, small cities and towns with population range between 20,000 and 5 lakh have municipalities is as the local self government. You can understand the population, 5 lakh population, 20,000 to 5 lakh population. Okay, municipalities is and municipal corporations carry on their day-to-day work with the help of a number of committees such as the education committee, the public health committee, and the district planning committee. The state government supervises the work of the local self-government bodies. It can take action against any organization which fails to do its work properly. The state government can be dissolved these organizations but the state government and the local self bodies usually cooperate with each other to carry out their duties. It trains young people and encourages them to be good citizens of the nation. Hopefully you understood till this much. This is the end of the chapter. Thank you.